Magandang gabi mga ka-Real Talk! Welcome back to the show where we talk about the stuff that keeps you staring at your ceiling at 2 a.m. I'm your host, Ben.
At ako naman si Kate. Ben, sa last episode, pinag-usapan natin kung paano lalabas sa friend zone. Pero tonight, babalik ta rin natin ang mundo. Paano kung ikaw yung nasa kabilang side? Yung tahimik ka lang na nag-e-enjoy sa friendship nyo, tapos biglang, boom! Nag-drop sa ng truth bomb.
Nako, Kate. Ito yung moment na parang tumigil ang mundo, di ba? Yung best friend mo na kasama mo sa kalokohan, sa asaran at sa yakan, biglang nagsabi ng, mahal kita, higit pa sa kaibigan.
Ang topic natin for today is, ano ang gagawin kung yung best friend mo ang biglang nag-confess sa'yo? Ito yung sitwasyon na puno ng gulat, kaba at, madalas, matinding guilt. Para bigyan tayo ng context, pakinggan natin ang kwento ni Startled Sheila. Hi, Ben and Kate. I really need your help. Itago niyo na lang ako sa pangalang Sheila. May best friend ako, si Josh. Halos 10 taon na kaming magkakilala. We're so close na pati family namin magkaka-close na. Kampante ako sa kanya. Kampante ako na he's the one person who will never leave me. Pero last weekend, habang nagko-coffee kami, bigla siyang naging seryoso. Sabi niya, Sheila, hindi ko na kayang itago. I've been in love with you for years. Ayaw ka nang magkunwari na friend lang kita. Ben, Kate, literal na na-freeze ako. Wala akong naramdamang kilig. Ang naramdaman ko ay takot at lungkot. Mahal ko si Josh pero bilang kapatid lang palaga. Simula nung gabi na yon, hindi ko na siya nire-replyan kasi hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. I don't want to lose my best friend pero ayaw ko siyang paasahin. Ano ang gagawin ko?
Sheila, I feel you. Josh just changed the rules of the game without asking you, di ba? Kate, bakit ba ganon? Bakit minsan, imbis na matuwa tayo na may nagmamahal sa atin, ang nararamdaman natin ay horror?
Because of the loss of safety, Ben. For Sheila, Josh was her safe harbor. Yung taong hindi siya i-judge. Yung taong walang pressure. Noong nag-confess si Josh, nawala yung safety na yon. Biglang may expectation na. Every hug, every text, every joke will now be viewed through a romantic lens.
Exactly. It's a grieving process. Sheila is grieving the loss of the friendship as she knew it. Josh, on the other hand, is probably relieved na nasabi niya na, pero hindi niya naisip na baka si Sheila ay hindi pa ready or hindi talaga doon ang punta ng nararamdaman.
Real talk, Sheila. The friendship you had before that coffee date, it's gone. You cannot go back to exactly how it was because now the elephant in the room is the size of a mountain.
Let's talk about the guilt. Bakit feeling ni Sheila siya ang namastama? Siya naman nagulat, siya pa ang may guilt.
It's called empathetic distress. Mahal ni Sheila si Josh as a friend, so ayaw niya tong saktan. Kapag tinagila si Josh, feeling niya binabasag niya yung puso ng taong pinaka-importante sa kanya. It's a heavy burden.
Pero Sheila, kailangan mong marinig ito. Hindi mo kasalanan na hindi mo siya mahal sa paraang gusto niya. You cannot force a spark that isn't there. If you say yes just to save the friendship or because you feel bad, you're not saving it. You're just delaying a much bigger disaster.
So, what should Sheila do? Step 1, don't ghost him. Sheila, alam kong natatakot ka pero ang pag-ghost kay Josh ay lalong makakasakit sa kanya. 10 years of friendship deserves an honest conversation.
Step 2, be clear and kind but firm. Huwag kang namang gagamit ng mga linyang maybe in the future or hindi pa ako ready. Those are false hopes. If it's a no, it has to be a clear no. Sasabihin mo, Josh, I value you more than words can say, but I don't have romantic feelings for you. Mahal kita bilang kaibigan, and that's where I stand.
Step 3, give it space. Ito ang pinakamahirap. Josh needs space to heal and you need space to breathe. Huwag mong asahan na after ng no, pwede na uli kayo mag-movie marathon kinabukasan. Kailangan niyo munang luwayo sa isa't isa para mamatay yung romantic hope niya.
Benta rin, Kate. Mahirap yan kasi si Sheila baka mamiss niyo si Josh. Tatawag yan pag may problema siya, forgetting na nasasaktan pa si Josh. Sheila, don't be selfish. If you really love him as a friend, let him go for a while so he can recover.
Ben, maraming nagtatanong, masasalvage pa ba ang friendship?
Yes, but it will never be the same. It will be a new friendship. It takes time, months, sometimes years. Magiging okay lang uli kayo kapag si Josh ay may mahal na ring iba at wala na siyang bitter feelings sa rejection mo.
At kailangan din ni sila na tanggapin na baka hindi na talaga kayanin ni Josh. Some people can't stay friends with someone they loved, and you have to respect that. If Josh decides to walk away for good, you have to let him go with love.
Real talk. A confession is a gamble. Josh knew the risks. He gambled the friendship for a chance at love. Sheila, you are not responsible for the outcome of his gamble.
To Sheila and to everyone who's the confessee, be brave enough to be honest. Mas masakit ang slow rejection kesa sa clear rejection.
And to the Josh out there listening, at least you tried. At least hindi ka na maghihintay sa wala. Rejection is a redirection.
Grabe, Ben, ang bigat pero ang ganda ng lesson. If you've been on either side of his story, we want to hear from you. Kamusta ng friendship niyo?
Email us your follow-up stories at realtalkwithbenankate@gmail.com. Love reading those where they now update. Don't forget to follow and share this with your bestie. Or maybe wag na muna kung medyo awkward pa kayo.
Definitely. At bago tayo mag-wrap up, kailangan nating i-teaser ang susunod na episode kasi ito naman tungkol sa mga tao mahilig mag-iwan ng clues pero nawawala rin.
Oh, ito yung mga masters of mixed signals. Our next episode will be about ano ang gagawin kung nagpahiwatig sa'yo pero wala na pagkatapos. Yung akala mo ito na tapos biglang naging cold or naging ghost.
Nako, ang daming biktima niyan. Bakit sila nagpaparamdam tapos biglang bawi? We'll talk about breadcrumbing and how to protect your heart from people who just want attention.
Huwag niyo yung palalampasin yan. This has been Real Talk with Ben and Kate.
Stay real, stay clear, and always listen to your gut.
Good night, everyone!